What's the meaning of bond? Bond. Bond.
Bond. Bond. The term bond generally refers to a financial instrument that enables investors to lend money to entities such as companies or governments. In return for this loan, the entity issuing the bond pays interest to the investor at a specified rate and time period. The bond is typically issued for a fixed term, after which the investor will receive their principal investment back. Bonds are often used by businesses to raise capital to finance operations or expansion, or by governments to fund public projects. Overall, investing in bonds can provide a reliable income stream with lower risk compared to other investments.